Hey, team. Canva makes it fun to design anything together, like whiteboards.
We all bring brain power
to bounce off each other
for the best ideas. We design social posts together.
We just drag and drop,
Make it pop.
and then watch the likes roll in.
We create videos together. Easy.
Trim this,
Tweak that.
and that's a wrap.
Dream Team. We even design team swag together.
Like totes, mugs,
Ooh.
and t-shirts.
Totally awesome, team.
Hiya. Howdy.
And we all work together to create amazing presentations.
Just pick a template.
Nice. Now customize?
For amazing results.
Nice one, Sonia. What will you design today? Start designing for free at canva.com.